Hi everybody, this is Sabine from Bibi's Nail Wonderland. I thought I was going to do something new and explain what I'm doing here. I got a stamper and I used stamping polishes, and that was kind of a mistake because you see here that they're drying very fast and they're very pigmented. So normally they are kind of smooshy, and here they are really dry already. So when I put it on my nail, you see here that it's a different kind of effect. I like the effect, but I wasn't aiming for it in the first instant. Here I put some polish on. I put it on my stamping plate. Here I'm transferring it to my nail, and I remove the liquid latex. In this case I bought it from China, so it's not much liquid, it's more or not much latex, it's more kind of a glue base, but it still works. Here's this second nail, some stripes. You can make it yourself, of course, but they're very fine lines, so I wanted to use a stamper and a stamping plate. I overstamp for the second time with a slightly lighter color, and the base is golden, so it shines through and I like it a lot. It was raining a lot and it was snowing, so I thought I was going to keep it in this theme, and I'm going to stamp a little cloud on top of it. Here is the liquid latex or the glue base, and it's already done. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye bye.